Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you a quick and simple yoga flow that will help you to calm down your nervous system and to give your mind a break from the day. This exercise or this session is best done directly before you go to bed. So this way you can sleep better and you can recover more effectively during your sleep. I'm Helmut from Warrior X Retreats, and this is one of the things we do in our retreats. We help you de-stress and recover better and more efficiently. Stress recovery is extremely important for anyone who is highly ambitious, who goes after targets, who puts him or herself under a lot of pressure daily. It doesn't matter whether you're an entrepreneur, a CEO, a manager of some sort, or even an athlete. De-stressing is super important so you can perform better for longer. De-stressing often gets forgotten because very often it feels like it's such a waste of time to take out 10 minutes or 15 minutes in your day to actively de-stress. I experienced the results firsthand when I trained for my first CrossFit Open competition. Amidst the training, it was so easy to forget about the recovery part. I ended up becoming second fittest man in Europe in my age group in my class, but I tore some of my abductors, my abdominal sheath, and I got myself a shoulder impingement. I know now that this would not have happened if I would have concentrated more on recovery, on de-stressing. So in order for you to avoid making the same mistake, I've created this little approximately 10 minute yoga flow that you do best at night before sleep to calm your mind, to help you find some good restful sleeps. Remember to subscribe and share the video with friends and family or anyone who you think is in need of some recovery. Start the exercise standing at the back of the mat. Lift your arms on an inhale, bend your knees, and on the exhale just drop the upper body. Let gravity do its work. Inhale up and exhale. Inhale. Allow all the stress to just leave your body. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Inhale. And then exhale, step into a wide stance, toes slightly out, bend your knees, open your chest. Inhale in the center, and on the exhale, turn to the side, stretch one arm. And rest your hand on your thigh, or keep it up. Stretch it with the arm. Inhale, center. Exhale to the side. Inhale, center. Long exhale. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 6. One more time. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 6. Last time. Inhale for 4. And exhale for 6. Beautiful. Inhale for 4. Straighten the right leg, turn the left foot in, exhale into Trikonasana. Arm goes up towards the ceiling. Activate your thighs. You rest your hand on your shin and then turn your head up towards the ceiling. Open your chest. Keep your core active. Keep breathing. In for 4, out for 6. See that the spine is straight. Tilt your hip. Now, next inhale, turn forward. Lift the back heel, drop the back knee, and arch your chest up and drop the head forward. You can also take your arms back into the cactus arms. They look like cactuses. Stay with the 4 in, 6 out. On the next inhale, stand up, close the step a little bit. Make sure both heels are on the floor as you fold forward over your front leg. Keep that straight. Activate both thighs and rest your hands on your shin or on the floor, wherever you get to, and allow the back to round off. Exhale, and the next inhale, step the back forward, get into your wider stance, and on the exhale, put your butt low into Malasana. Heels may or may not be on the floor. You can rest your hands here. This is just to open your hips. You can even move from side to side. Notice how your heels, how your Achilles relaxes more, how your hips open more. You can get your elbows inside your knees, your palms together towards your chest. Next inhale, stand up, take the right foot back, step back, both heels on the floor, relax your upper body forward. Pyramid pose with your left foot forward. Feel the slight lift as you inhale, and then allow the upper body to drop forward as you exhale. Activate your thighs. Relax. On the next inhale, bend the knees, step the foot a bit further back, drop the back knee, and inhale into crescent. Make sure both hips are nice and parallel, nice and square. Allow the hip to move forward, knee stays over the front foot, and arch up and back. Again, maybe take your arms in cactus. Next inhale, straighten the front leg, turn the back heel, back foot on the mat, Trikonasana. turns to the side. Rest your hand on your shin or just beside it. And up with your palm towards the ceiling. Again, engage your thighs. Turn the head to look towards the hand. Tilt backwards in the hip. Keep your spine straight. So this is a rainbow and this is a straight spine. Into goddess pose. So wide stance, knees out, toes out. In your center, exhale. Back to center. Straighten legs, step forward, exhale, fold all the way down, bend your knee. Take your legs back, knees down, sit back onto your heels, into child pose. Behind you. If necessary, open your legs a bit more so you can breathe better. Excellent. So do this best before you go to sleep at night, and I promise you, you will sleep better. You'll be more recovered the next morning. If you enjoyed the information, then do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course share it with friends and family or anyone who is in need of some relaxation. I'm Helmut Boltuber from Warriors Retreats, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.